Hey guys, check out my awesome VR goggles. They cost me 99 cents at Microcenter. They had this awesome deal for the version 1 Google Cardboard that you can pick up for super cheap, great for your classroom. So these I actually folded and made, and then I decorated them. So I'm going to show you how to take this package and turn it into some really cool $1 VR goggles that your kids are going to love. So these VR goggles came from Microcenter in Houston. On the back side it says VR gear. This is, I'm not sure the exact brand, it was just a cheap set of goggles that came in this package. So I'm going to go ahead and open these. So if you go to any Microcenter, you should be able to get something similar. So it comes in this zipper package, which is resealable. I'm not sure why you would want to disassemble these. Okay, there's that. So this is what it looks like at first. It comes with a rubber band. This rubber band is important. Do not throw this away. So I'm going to take it off and set it here. I almost tossed this the first time I made it. So now if I flip it over, I have this little easy tear tab, which is kind of tough. Okay, and then you're going to open this case up, and then it has instructions. So step 1, these are all of your essentials. This is how you're going to do it. It says detach here. So I'm going to go ahead and let me just unfold this so you can get a look at what all is inside. So tons of stuff here. I'm going to put the straps and padding off to the side. And I'm going to go ahead, this is the actual goggle piece, and all of this is just packaging. So I'm going to detach this here, just fold it, and then gently tear that loose. So there are my goggles, and here are my instructions. Now it's just a matter of matching up all of the numbers to each other. So there's 2 sets of each number. So number 1 is on the back side of the glass. So 1 goes to this tab. So I'm going to push this up and put those together. And then I'm going to look for the 2. Here's one number 2. And that fits right down next to the other one. And then 3 goes to 3. So I'm just going to kind of hold those in place as I work my way around. 4 goes up to 4. So that's the middle of our goggles. And then these tabs fit down into there. And it just kind of wraps around. And now I'm going to just double check to make sure all of those numbers fit together. And that 5 needs to sit down to that middle piece. I already popped out that little center tab. And then this folds over, and the Velcro will hold it in place. So once this looks good, you have some tape that comes pre-attached to your goggles, so you can go ahead and attach it with the tape. So I'm going to peel off this piece here, peel that loose, and then once again realign all of my tabs, make sure my magnet slot is in the right place. Flip it over, make sure everything's fitting together. Okay, and then you're going to align the edge and then press firmly. Okay, and now once that is in place and all of this is fit together, then you can crease this bottom part and Velcro it in. And this is the actual viewer is done. And then you can pull out all of your padding and Velcro strap and attach to the side. Now that this is fully assembled, we can take a rubber band and open up the front flap, and the rubber band goes around that piece there, and you can just leave it on the bottom. There's actually a diagram that shows you that you can sit your phone on this and use the rubber band to hold it in. So I'm going to go ahead and close that back up for when I'm ready to put a device in. And then I'm going to open up these pieces here, and these are our padding strips and our Velcro. So there's some foam pads. This is our Velcro band. And it comes with more instructions here that matches those on the package. So I'm going to unfold my Velcro tabs. And before I pull the actual Velcro apart, I'm just going to kind of get an idea of where I want to put these. I used this symbol as a guide and put my band right underneath it. And then I try to match it on the other side below the magnet switch. So what you can do is pull this backing piece off and then firmly press that down and do the same thing on the other side. Makes it nice and convenient. And I'm going, this one actually is put on crooked, so I'm going to unstick that and then set it down so it's straight. And then attach my Velcro back. There we go. So there is our headband. These pieces are sort of stuck together here. Let me unfold that. And this is the backing. This is very, very sticky. And I'll show you on the one I already made. When you put it on your viewer, you want to be careful about how you wrap it around the edges. It's really up to your discretion. We can just pull this apart. Oops. And then peel off the backing. And now this is super sticky, and I like to kind of wrap it around the edges. This is not, you know, super neat, but just to kind of give us some extra padding here. And then I'll kind of fold this down and then tuck that over. And that gives us some nice padding around the face edge. Do the same thing on the side. A little extra piece there. Ooh, that is sticky. There. Okay. Peel this off. And once again, I'm going to stick it on the edge and fold the corners, tuck those in, and then fold that down. And that gives you a nice soft edge without that sticky backing pulling up. So now you can decorate these with paint, cardboard, stickers, glitter. I had a lot of fun with this, and I hope you get some for 99 cents and build your own.